I had some ups and some downs, as anybody. Life is like a season. There's some good times, good seasons, and there's some bad seasons. Well, like if you look at life, we have winter, spring, summer, and fall. As you can see, spring is where everybody start to work their things, start getting the job they want and start saving up all through summer. But you gotta understand the way this world works, they're gonna get your money regardless. Not just your money, they're gonna get whatever they want from you. You gotta be careful now. So if it comes to things like money, for example, I'd rather give the money to my girlfriend, wife, or whatever, or whoever close to you, or whoever you can help. Because sooner or later, that money's gonna go. It's not yours, and because we tend to be like, this is mine, and that's when our downfall comes in, and that's why we get depressed, and that's why we get sad. But when it comes to seasons, so summertime is where you gotta preserve everything and make sure everything's okay. And when fall comes, you prepare for winter. So when it comes to fall, that's when you harvest. Fall is like before you come to that hard time. So the winter is a very long season. Winter is a very cold season, and that's why you see a lot of people die during winter time. People don't die. A lot of people don't die during summertime. People die winter time, and that's when people die. That's when a lot of people die, and because it's cold, people die from just cold itself. Like it's winter time. That's when a lot of people die. So that's why when it comes to winter, there's two things. Either you save up for yourself, and when I say save up, it doesn't have to be financially. Just make sure your winter's good. You just know that winter's gonna be long, so make sure you're covered for the winter. It doesn't matter what you do. The winter, just make sure you're covered for it. Because if you're not covered, you're gonna die. And so when it comes to winter, you better make sure you're covered for winter, or learn how to beg for winter time. Because those two, so it's tough. That's what everybody needs to understand. When it comes to winter time, there's two things: either you're covered, or you better learn how to be you better learn how to beg for it. So that's why you see, like in our culture, people help each other for a reason. Because when it comes to winter time, you see, when it comes to winter time, there's people that have the meat. There's some people have the grains, and then guess what? We exchange, we help one another, and that's what's going on. Don Filippo. Okay. I'll add Filippo. Where's Filippo? Just tell him to send the request. I'll add Filippo. And that's what's really going on. Like, so when it comes to life is like a season. And that's why a lot of people listen to those music, but they don't know the music's actually, they're telling the truth in a way. But you gotta listen to it in a different way. You said talk about your life, talking about winter. You're damn right, winter. Because my life is like winter. Our life is the same. It's not any difference. We all have the same thing. We all have options and choices. So it's just how we react to it. So